Some wanna coming like them old time coal iron, yeah. Yeah. Some wanna where they are big foreign soon, yeah. Some old time coal iron and some old enamel chimney. Yeah man. Soon there. Yeah, some old time floor brush. Soon there.
Wanna push her in the car? Push her in the car. Wanna push her in the car? We are car Bellevue. Una say she mad. Una say she get mad. She mad enough. Wanna push her in the car? Me not going to rush culture. Me not going to the car. Me not going to Bellevue. Me not going to. Wanna make some man angle. Wanna make some man angle. I wanna have her hand tie up on still make some man angle. Wanna push her in the car? Me not going to the car. Me not going to push car. Me not going to brush car. No push car. Me not going to the car. Me not going to. Me not mad. Me not mad. Me not mad. How no mad? Me not mad. Wanna push car alone. Wanna push bubble car alone. Me not mad. Wanna put her in the car, man. I want to know. Wanna take some put the one cool man in the car, man. 4 hours now, I take some put the man in the car. Now say man that we carry car Bellevue, man. Your mother push come man. Your mama mad. Your mama bubble car mad. Your mama mad. Your mama mad. Speak my mind, people. We start take them up one for carry car Bellevue, you know. Because Marcia come back in on my people. And she a seek attention. When you don't know how she this, you know. See that we tired of the Carragher Bellevue. See here? I want to know if I want to see big glass. I don't know who the got glass because we got deep sea diving. Yeah. Marcia. MC. Are you we talk? You go on your vacation. You go on your birthday celebration. And your mind was all over Planka Shop. Speak my mind, people. Continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Take a friend phone and subscribe them even not into YouTube. And subscribe to the channel. Please remember to watch the ads. And go over to the backup channel. And also subscribe. Life is a Mission TV. Yes, you Money Queen Marcia, Curly, Cockeye. You're there on your big cruise ship. I have your big celebration. But yet still, your mind upon 99. You come and talk about you never have no access to your business phone and your phone so certain things you never see. You there all the way in the middle of the ocean, probably traveling from one country to the other, and your mind upon 99. Me never know say are your own February. February already short, almost 3 days or 2 days. Probably a year a day them take away, you know. Yeah, probably a year a day them take away out of the month because one of them day that you're born. Me never know say February belongs to you. Because my people now watch this now. Everybody knows the AD birthday in January. Alright? Circumstances whether Josh is getting visa back in January or not. The time might just allow her to travel. And she planned a long time that as soon as Josh get him thing, she go carry him. Alright? Date plan, woman gone to Canada, woman fly out. Our friends decide, this is not a Lynn jerk. Well, Rose Kitchen and Vlog was there. But I think this more planned by Nana Lynn. Decide to throw a belated birthday for AD. Basically, AD wasn't aware of this. Because if my birthday gone from January, and you just got through a belated birthday, you never even give me a hint, say, boy, you might do something for me when I come up or whatsoever. You just throw it at me as a surprise. AD now, I'm not to do with that, you know. When all I've said and done, I'll do AD now, I'm not to do with it. Whether she have something to do with it or something to do with it, not. All of this is supposed to cause no argument, no animosity, no fiction. But as we say, if AD go up at heaven and come back and say Jesus up there, them come back and say, she say, are the devil up there. So there is nothing at all AD can do for these people. Suit them. Because guess what me know? The new talk is shine. AD has shine like a diamond. Long time. You understand what I say to you? AD is shining like a diamond long time. At the start of this video, I want to show no for you what Uno is like. Yes, whether or not, it don't have nothing to do with Marcia. But here what me know. Once it come on to AD, everybody want to have something to say. Everybody want to make some form of content. Because as you come back now, Marcia, you're going to say you're looking at your phone full up. People send you this and send you that. How AD want if you shine because you keep birthday upon your birthday. AD no keep no birthday. The people them just get a little belated celebration with a couple little people. AD now want must want a little piece of tights and one Ganzi or one jean shorts and one Ganzi, 2 little balloon string up. And that hurt your head? And that you really say a people send it in your phone. Alright? Say a people send it in your phone. When you see that, you shouldn't even look on it. But it's after you come and talk now, then you're there for your life and say, you don't want anybody send anything in your phone, you don't want anybody this. From day one, when you see it, you shouldn't even bother look on it, you shouldn't even address it. But what? From an AD, you are going to address it. Because guess what me now? You need shine. And you know, for your call AD name, you draw attention. And basically what you're saying, your phone never works, so you're off the media for a while, so you come back want to shine, and you want a high number of views, so you have to attack AD. You understand what I say to you? Because in no form, me see, this supposed to have a problem with you. If you did have your celebration, you in the middle of the sea on a cruise, until the night in one little hotel space. With 4 or 5, somebody, you have a birthday settings where you have color code. Or Eddie no come out come say, you take our style. With this whole color code business. With them people that me see them sky blue line off around your table. But this is showing how cheap on a thing. On the narrative is so low. On a thing so cheap in life. That you don't do anything for the same shine you know I talk about. You understand what I say? Me hear you and a few more, T-girl and the whole of them, who she rich. So basically, too she rich. Yes, she rich. So what she do pan swoop or snoop or way to her name? What she do pan that? You're frightened if you see how much other millionaires are travel upon that same flight there. Or travel upon that same airline. Oh, she rich and she shouldn't get stuck in a Cuba. She should send for a private jet. How much billionaire you know have private jet? When the Prime Minister fly, it mix and mingle with everybody. It's only that he might travel first class. But at the same plane, the whole of him depend same way. So, you don't go worry, but this is what me I try to say. Day in, day out, you know, the woman's success, where she take her time, gain her few little dollars to pile it up, while you there all long, and you don't even have a day-to-day spending. You don't even have a day-to-day, what you call it now? Put away where you can say, boy, okay, today I put $100,000 on the corner there, so tomorrow come, might not bright, you put away 50,000 around there. Only not have that. Someone can hardly pay rent for one to live. Someone a government to cover half on the responsibility, and still can't find the next half, but you come in and phone bigger, hype and strong. Why she never shove her money and she rich? Why she never take a private jet? Why she never this? Why she never that? And why she travel upon them the airline there? Them the airline them even travel upon them the airline there. Wait. You T girl, when last you travel? If you come here, come take the Rasta man and you get the STD, I don't think you travel again. And this is why most of you don't have nothing in a life. Because what? You want stardom so much, and you don't reach the level for the type of stardom you want. So here want me now. You go out on the means to prove to the public on phone. So you can't do this, so you can't do that, so you can't do this. Because all your mass here now. Go see how much debt you left in now. Figure upon that the cruise ship there. I go see how hard, how much months, probably over 1 year savings that you have to use. Figure upon that the cruise ship there. And me can bet you any money if Auntie Dana want to go upon that the cruise ship there. All she have to do is snap her finger, Sajam, magic work, money come out of bank account, pay for cruise, and 50 more years worth of cruise money still in a bank account. While you have to throw on a little $100, $200 partner to save, to come prove to people. Because if you do that, you know, and save the money for things of more sustainability, things have more substance, it's not bad or not so bad. But you save all here, put yourself in all kind of credit card debt, just to come prove to the public so you can't do this, so you can't do that. True, probably at this present moment, the person who want a grudge might not do that. You don't want to show so you can't do that. So you not try to tap her at all times. But each time you tap her, you put yourself in a debt. Each time you try to tap her, you put yourself in a credit card debt. You spend on a loss. Why she don't have to do that? You go come and talk about why the woman keep her birthday and your birthday. Dana not keep my birthday. Nana Lina put on a birthday. Them just give the woman a little belated birthday celebration. What kind of birthday you keep this up? When you get that video there over the years, you say Dana keep birthday. There is no way Nana Lina that put on a birthday party. Dana come all the way to Canada and she put on a birthday party in that little, you know, small settings there. Everybody just come from the hotel room, whether you don't want a little hoodie or you don't want a little shorts or want a little slippers. It was just a little birthday give back, gratitude. With 2 champagne or 1 champagne and 1 cake cut. And at that you make a earth up your head. After you're in the middle of the ocean, a travel. And up on your cruise ship with your big settings at Itamadio. People, me hear a big friend, cause me them not gonna play them tape, you know. See that, me have them tape here, you know. Where Marcy a big friend me a talk. You don't know who me a talk. Me never want to call them no more. But you know they less, yeah. Me hear she come out and she analyze the whole situation. Cause you know she says she are the king of analysts. Not the queen of analysts, the king of analysts. No bias. And when me listen, fair analysts think of the whole situation. And no, me not hear this woman tell Marcia say, come on Marcia man, that should not be even a problem to you. When you see that, you should even look on it. You should have dash all your phone at the rubbish pan. And no, the woman not come out with that. She dress it, you know, like when you got a doctor with all some of them people where you got a clinic. You know, who live in Jamaica, you see them people they come at a clinic with all them big old bandage on them foot and them ankle, come dress them sore. As such a Miss Bias dress and she dress the analytic of the whole situation and she dress it and no, you don't hear she say no Marcia. This one here, me I tell you honest truth. You should even pay this one in no mind. This one here, you should even say nothing about this one here. Because 1, you know, on February. 2, people free to do what they want to do. Whether it was intentional or not intentional. She come up and she say, oh, well, I don't know. Anything can happen behind the camera. But for what I see, Miss D didn't know anything about it. I more feel like it's Rose and Nanalyn jerk, and people would have come out and say, oh, I don't see Nanalyn as that type of person. But we never know what people will do. So she analyzed the whole situation, but at the same time, when you see the picture where she paint, she now come straight forward and just tell us, boy, no sir, this wasn't intentional. Me not see no reason for them did to do this. It's just the occasion arise where Eddie did that Jamaica during the whole birthday celebration. And she end up fly up, and this is the day where them choose. Probably them not realize it's Marcia's birthday. Because that the settings, if somebody want to take your shine, them couldn't want to take your shine at them the settings. So I saw uno think low class to come take high class people shine. Because that would be a low class thinking for you who want to take somebody with a high class shine. You understand what I say? And this woman analyze and she beat you on the bush and she beats and she come around the bush, she buck up in some monkey, she buck up in some cow run her down, and she still a beat you on the bush, she not turn back. And say them unbiased. You understand? Because she actually a try to tell you, say, boy, the birthday is like Nanalyn them willfully do it. Besides, Eddie might don't know about the party showing. It's because this is what I'm telling you about some of you fans and supporters, especially you in the comment section, and she pretty it up. Because I used to do it, but I stopped because I see what it can pay it off to be. And you are the ones that send it into Marcia phone and whatsoever. And she cover up the part there and pretty it up and come right back around to what she wants to say. I more feel like it's Nanalyn do this thing just to take away the shine because they want to detract the people from over Marcia. Come on. Marcia platform and Marcia platform. Dana platform is Dana platform. It come like you mix up Shenseea with Nicki Minaj. How you have to do that? You can't mix Shenseea with Nicki Minaj. When Nicki Minaj goes up, boom and click her live. You see 80 at 90 at 1,000, 100 at 1,000, 70 at 60 at 1,000. When Shenseea goes up, boom and click her live, you see 2,000. So how you have to mix Shenseea with Nicki Minaj? So there is no way Dana would have want to do that, or Nanalyn or none of them would have even think of doing that. If you say, boy, them might try to take away the shine from her. Because what? Dana crowd. And if you even have somebody plank at them and run go over the fence, because you know we love run go over the fence, you know. Because we love know what we want to know, because we have to be protective of ourselves. So we go over the fence to see if we see anybody where, you know, crossover, you know, because you don't know in a politics, yeah, man, him winning on one party and during the time certain things go wrong, him have the privilege to cross over. Remember, no, for him cross over, him win him seat, you know. Or where him come from, him win him seat, but him have the privilege. So we want to see who a cross over, so we go, you know, sometimes with us. And we peep, yes. But how much Blanca over there, pan her live? I watch her. Plus, I don't know, remember she saying, you know, well, probably the business phone is where most people are. Probably that number there. So, when me going to say not really relevant. Probably, I was going to say, oh, she say her phone down on the ship. But here still she could have go live. But probably, the phone where the vast amount of people outside will have the number, which is a business phone, would have able to send her those things from the party with Nanalyn and Dana. Each send her work. So, give her the benefit of the doubt. But as me I said, the non-biased one, she beat you on the bush and she beat you on the bush. You know, the last part of her video, here right now, no? Because this is what I was thinking about. Because, as me say Nasty T girl, she make one post where she say, a certain individual a come a Marcia Gala and she can poison her in her cake. If you don't listen to the video, I post with her. So, that's how I realize that Marcia keep something. Well, in this video now, when I watch with the unbiased one, no, not the unbiased one. Yeah, she endorsed it also because she had the pan go on Eventbrite and get your ticket and really. But me see one thing I advertise where the Angel advertise the party in a July. So, because the party are keeping a July now, for Marcia. Yo! Father God, if you're not busy. When me look at me, them say take the case and give me the pillar. But right now it come like me want you take the whole of everything. The case and the pillar, because the pillar look like it get heavy. No, sir. Me hear the unbiased one promote and I say go get a ticket at Eventbrite. But what happened now, you know, my people? As me say, them behave as if them a try to talk unbiased and then them just flip it on the bias side. Error. And now enough of you people is going to say, okay, because first, them said Dana birthday gone from we are January, so why you keep a birthday in February now? Which, as we say, is no birthday. It's just a get-together, a belated get-together, because Nanali never there Jamaica, Dana never there Canada, and based on how the friendship are brew, Nanali decide to do something. Alright. Because of all of that now, and them realize what them a do, she come back. I know enough for you people. This is the unbiased one now, you know. The friend of Marcia Campbell. This is the unbiased one, you know. I know many of you is going to ask, so Marcia's birthday is in February, but is still she keep her birthday in July. What about if she keep it on somebody day? And she do all the cover up like she want big dirty chapal, you know, they on a container top. You know them big dirty chapal, you know, them put on the container top to protect the container top from the ocean, from the sun and the salt and way. Yeah. She cover up just like that and she do what she fit do. Because I was saying the same thing. If Marcia come out and say, Dana birthday at January, so why she come and keep her birthday in February? And we are January she born. You born February and you keep one big gala in July. Look how much people born July. Nobody not busy with you, Marcia. Your crowd or your crowd. You choose to keep your thing on the date that is available. Or the land where you want to keep your thing available. Just as your bias friend come and she say, cause she have a pretty it up, you know. Yes, I agree she keeping it in July and her birthday is February. But what about if it's that's it, the date that she get, or that's it, the time that she get, the lawn is available to her for she to keep it. So you see, she have put all the defense in place to justify she keeping her birthday gala in July when her birthday is February. You understand? But Dana, friends, putting on a little get together, not a birthday celebration. Because Dana no live in Canada, Nana live in Jamaica. Dana visit another Nana see fit to put on a little thing for her. A little get together. It just come like you go one club, go drink one beer. And you get a surprise. I do something like that, you know. I want to make a big thing out of it, like it's a big birthday splash keep. But what? Marcia was off the media for too long. So she have to try come back with a shine to see if she can hold some numbers. And the fittest person name for call is Dana. My people, me on the sorry say, as me say, I don't really want to give that non-biased person and highlight no more. And nothing like that, you know. Me really don't want to give her nothing like that. Make me not run her tape and make you listen her. But me I play a little piece of Marcia. I can see if I can find a piece of Marcia I could hear. Because I like when I hear now. Because I know for as I sound up on them platform, you know. So when I talk, I want to understand what I say. Just give me a sec. My people, the video is a little bit low and the place is very windy. So do the best. See if you can put down the ears. I'm not going to play much I just want to understand what I say. Listen, this is MC, Manny Queen, Curly Locks, Kakai.
Listen.
You look at the Wi-Fi. Let me order some little low man. A little bit of.
You talk about Dana rich and Dana fi take jet come home and we share up on snow. But you have your purse I go up on cruise and 95% of the time I watch it, a restaurant food there and yam. She not start talking with people.
I'm order some of me. Play them there.
Listen up my people, our members
Well,
only,
members only
calling
there.
them.
May I have something to say? What my members only then there?
Listen, you know, cause the volume low and it windy my people. When you listen to my people,
My phone wasn't working.
cause she love come talk about price of things. She eat
So
a little
I
food.
must you ever bless. I never see that somebody
Listen
send
up
me
before we talk.
pictures of people. On the backside, you are going to celebrate birthday. And it's not your birthday. Oh, somehow the bloggers love attention. So,
You have
February is not
attention
your
now, come
birthday.
talk
How
about
you
this. You should
celebrate
not just
birthday
this.
in February? And if it was Marcia Ross Campbell come and celebrating in another month, but somehow we don't have to be in the Ross spotlight.
So you're not going to celebrate in July?
Spotlight. Bet you if it was Marcia Campbell ever come put out happy birthday pan some people birthday day like years and it's not no birthday. What is the matter with it now? How much of the spotlight so now want on social media? It's the question. How much of the spotlight you know want on social media? Me never see.
She love combos pan the little $30 food and $40 food them she eat. America here the $40. There's nowhere in Jamaica you can get a food for $30 or $40. And we not talk about equivalent of dollar now. Because America $40 or $40. You understand? Equivalent in Jamaica, yes it can buy a food, but we not talk about equivalent now. $40 or $40. $40 in Jamaica is $40. There's no $40 can even buy a bulla in a Jamaica. So go ahead.
When me I got to my phone. But you know Ross easy. You can't come out of the spotlight one thing. Sometimes God a talk to me when I Ross here. If it was Marcia Campbell now who come down and go put up, it's not your Ross birthday. Your birthday gone from January. Stay in your Ross lane. Your birthday is not February 26th. And Marcia birthday out of the bloggers them February 26th. You're too.
Because this audio so low on people and the place windy, I'm not going to play anymore. But me just a go no, I listen listening, hear our voice, because I know our voice, so I might not go up on our page to see her whatsoever. So me I bring it to you, because that's what I'm here to do, you know, bring it to you, my people. But what me I say, February is the AD birthday. July is your birthday when you have your big gala put on. And for sure you want to love this heightness. And as I say, you know, that's how you know nothing in a life, you know. Yeah, man. You want like a tea girl, that's how you know nothing in a life. Because you don't want to live stardom life. I want to go, you know, all breadths to reach the stardom life, no matter what it costs, you know. You know, go up on the biggest cruise ship, the biggest all-inclusive hotel, but yet still, when you're done all of that splashing there, as my grandmother would have said, feasting today and famine tomorrow. Because when you come off all them that flash there and floss there and take amount of picture and ray on the post and people, Lord, watch Marcia in a first class, she kick back on her head, reach on the cockpit and her foot down on the tail of the plane the way for her seats big. Yes, still girl. Watch her. She got the biggest expect. Hey, the hotel where she in a Paris in one of the biggest hotel, you know. Yeah, and them something they don't want. But at the end of the day, when all the little 3-day, 4-day, 5-day fund they done, only now one bag of debt, one bag of credit card debt, one bag of money we want to borrow. Some money will save part of the money in a partner for 1 year and year and a half and plan them a trip here. Before you take the money and put it to some goddamn good use. When you take it and splash it out, we don't say no. Sometimes you have to enjoy yourself, but you enjoy yourself when you can afford to enjoy yourself. You can't have $1 million and you have $1 million, you feel like $1 billion and you splash it out. And then tomorrow morning, you know, after the splashing done, you come and fret about the $1 million and say, you know, John no star. You know, some people should have take $500,000 out of that and do this and do that. And when you want to know that, when you don't spend the $1 million, when you come in like some people, them have one bag of things to do before them have the money, which is great things, great ideas. But that is before them have the money. But when them have the money, it's totally different thing them do. Them remember say the 3-seater zinc did a leak and them need to take it off of the house top, the back door rat it down, where the push through the back door and the puppy push through the back door and find himself in the kitchen. All of them is something in them thoughts when them not have the money. But when them get the money, a total different thing. The back door stay there till it rotten and drop off of inches. The 3-sheeter zinc stay up there till them rotten and capsize all in the kitchen and drop in the pot on the stove. Yeah. Because them want to live high life. So them do everything. Because them want to come prove in a phone. And when they show in a phone, them not show away. Speak my mind, people. Continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Please to watch the ads. Press that thumbs up as you hit on the video. Leave your comment. And remember, I'm asking, please to go over to the backup channel and give me a subscription if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. Life is a Mission TV. Link will be in the description or in the comment section pin. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Master, you come back and I look at hype. Where? Dan alone can give you hype. You know, nobody else name can call. You know about no celebrity on the ship where you could have come talk about. Eh? Or use your next phone and video and come talk about them. Move!